Welcome back to Pree Dis. I'm your host. My name is Cred, and it's been a while since I've been on this show. Now, moving on and keeping things rolling, the launch of the album Heart of Jamaica took place recently downtown at Ribbiz. Now, Mikey Bennett, this is a wonderful project. That's why Appleton, Jamaica took full responsibility and was all over this project. Now, we have the details, we have the highlights only on Pree Dis, so check this one out.
Power, strength, resilience, rhythm, a rich heritage, a blend of creativity, a spirit that can't be conquered, a beat that never stops, from the heart of Jamaica. Deep within the heart.
Have been since 2016. I have been using reggae music to really cement, what Appleton Estate mean. Again, authentic reggae music and authentic Jamaican rum is like a natural marriage, right? So, rum and reggae. So we have been creating this partnership with rum and reggae, and so we thought about, how can we do it? We have been doing it with our Appleton Estate Signature Nights series that has been running. People love it. I mean, again, we're using similar talents to come and entertain Jamaicans. So we thought about how can we do this in a different way? How can we give people who are not able to show up at our signature nights something that is authentically Jamaican, that's really good, clean music.
So hard, with arms wide open, you are my rock, you are my mountain.
Time Mikey Bennett called, as long as we don't have anything doing, we'll head straight down to Grafton. And I went in and he said, yo, I have some lyrics right out and thing. And I say, sometimes I'm skeptical about that because a lot of times people say, yo, I find it, and when you hear it, it don't really speak to you. So when me hear the chorus, I say, well, and they stop it. I say, whoa.
One so kind, you make me feel special. Like a ring, cause I got to deserve. Tell you some I love you when I got my word. And up front you will never reserve.
Now this project that is being done by Appleton, I think it's very amazing. The title alone of the album, Heart of Jamaica, which is reggae. And I'm not going to stand here ignoring the fact that reggae is the heart of Jamaica. And he decided to plant me in the song Phenomenal Woman, that is dedicated to women on a whole, mothers on a whole. And I love it because I have a phenomenal mother. And when people, I'm endorsing this Appleton album called Heart of Jamaica. The tracks on it are amazing. It's about the heart of Jamaica. It is about feeding the people with some great music that they'll be able to get healing from. And I know this is the perfect album for that.
The respect that we have for the guru, aka Mikey Bennett. He reached out, said them I work on a project where them really want to give people a taste of the many flavors of Jamaica and the many definitions and interpretations of music. So we went through into the studio, me, him, Natel, and a few others, and hold a little vibe and knock out the energy that resonate with the people. So we're really proud to be able to offer this as a piece of Jamaica, Yeah.
I was approached to do a Christmas song, and my conversation with the people said, listen, we have a number of Christmas songs. What we don't have are other songs. We don't have graduation songs like this one. We don't have, we don't have Mother's Day songs. We don't have, Father's Day songs, Jamaican. We don't have, songs that help us to celebrate in a Jamaican way, events and the life, So And I just said to him, let us do a song for all seasons, album with a song for all seasons. And about a month later, I came back and said, listen, Appleton is interested in the idea. Let us come up with a plan. And so we indicated the kind of songs, and we came up with a wish list of artists that would have want. And we came up with a budget. Then another couple of weeks later on, I was invited to a meeting, and it sounded like it was going to happen.
How do you maintain the magic from the 90s? What different did you put into this project? What difference did you bring this time around?
Well, you know what I keep putting in? I keep putting in young people. I have a wonderful relationship with Edna Malley. So I have a front seat look at all of the young geniuses coming out, and I just rope them in, and I'm not afraid to say, listen, you have something I want. I have something you want. Let me guide this process.
Who did you want that you didn't get?
Barris. And we got him up to the point when he lost his brother. Because we started to rehearse the song and thing. And I said to him, since you can't sing it, who you think could do it? Give me 2 or 3 names. And he called 3 names, and I was able to get one of them, and him did a wonderful job.
This is Pree Dis, I am Kerwin, and we're going for a short break. When we get back, we have a Caribbean All-Star video. We have Sizzla Kalonji and also the Magnum Top 10. Stay tuned, you're watching the #1 show on TV.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink out with a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some Gyallis. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know hide with the Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a start. Take charge, take charge. Magnum. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them.